Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Dub app review. So, in this case, what is the Dub app here? Well, Dub here is a social investing app that lets user automatically mirror the stock trades of other people, including politicians, based on public financial disclosures, corporates, insiders, hedge fund managers, and finance-focused creators from platforms like X, YouTube, or Seeking Alpha. Now, rather than picking individual stocks here, a user selects published portfolios and copies it. Now, features includes browsing over 400 plus investor created strategies, some free, others gated behind a paid tier, an AI assistant called Arlo for portfolio research and general investing questions, a social feed showing activity from followed investors, and real-time automated trade replication once a portfolio is copied. Copying is proportional here, so investing a set dollar amount into a portfolio buys each underlying stock at its listed percentage weight. Now, any future trades made by that portfolio's creator are automatically mirrored in the user's account at the same relative allocation. Now, how do you use this? Well, in this case, you need to open a brokerage account within the app. So browse investor profiles or portfolios by category, either stocks, ETFs, politics, team baskets, and something like that. And review each portfolio's holdings and past performance before choosing one. Now, you want to go and just tap the copy and select an investment amount. A minimum of around $100 is commonly cited here to start mirroring that or those portfolios. Now, from there, additional funds can be added or the position can be sold at any time. Now, when the copied investor's portfolio changes, the app automatically executes proportional trades in the user's account to match. Now, on the pricing side here, Dub operates on a freemium structure. So basic browsing and some free strategies are available at no cost, while premium features like access to vetted creator portfolios or advanced filters and copy trading functionality require a paid subscription, commonly cited around like $89.99 a year. In some people here cite like 15 to $50 a month range depending on the specific plan, and generally alongside the $100 minimum deposit to start copying a portfolio. Now, a short free trial period is offered on some sign up processes in here, but yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.